Hi everyone, as we step into the new year, I'd like to let you know what you can expect from the channel moving forward. We got a lot of big changes and I'm excited and I hope you guys are too. First is the name change. We're also going to be doing a lot more builds, content, but if you don't know, I'm Danny. This is Lucy. I like cars, drifting, cars, and making videos for you guys to help DIY stuff, work on your own cars. Obviously, Saab guy, drifting, got the Mustang, so I'm gonna let you know what you can expect. So I'm really looking forward to this journey with all you guys, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts and comments about what you want to see moving forward. Let's make this year unforgettable. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. I want to talk about a little bit about some of the projects that you can expect. We got more of the drifting content. We got some builds. I got some new series that I think you guys would like. I'm trying to be more consistent and be on top of things. I got some channel goals and I'm looking forward to this year. I want to talk a little bit about the journey that I've been on so far, how we've gotten here, you know, what's happened with Saab and future things like that. Right? So I think I should let you guys know I've kind of been putting it off. I've been wanting to make the video good, but pretty much I don't work at Saab anymore. If you didn't know, I used to work at a Saab dealership for like 3.5 years, and it's where I learned a lot of stuff and I was super in depth. I was able to make a lot of Saab content. I was surrounded by great master techs at Saab, and now, I transitioned to a different shop because that shop, I believed, who I was already doing some side work for, was moving in the direction I wanted to go with my career, and Saab was kind of getting smaller, they were downsizing, and I wanted to try to learn more. I want to do more jobs, more cars, less just oil changes, and kind of, streamline the work. So I went with this other guy, and now I do about a third classic cars, a third European cars, and a third whatever other stuff, Hondas and trucks and that stuff. So I've definitely learned a lot. I've been doing this now about 9 years. So, we're picking up some things. I still don't know everything. So I try to do things very precise and detail oriented. Seems like I usually rush on my own car because I'm trying to take care of everybody else's car. And but I'm going to try and focus more on I'll be doing Saab content just as much. I've gotten quite a bit of things lined up in the future, some projects / series for Saab content specific that I think you guys will really enjoy. So I'm looking forward to that. Drifting, we'll still be drifting. Been going a little bit further out than my local track, been definitely spotty on the drift footage. I'll probably be posting some stuff from before and some more current stuff, so it's kind of mixed match because I wasn't as consistent as I should have been. Planning on going to Germany here shortly to watch the 24 hours of Nürburgring. That trip was planned before finding out about Max Verstappen. Who, if you don't know, is a terrific Formula One driver who's racing now in that series in Germany. That'll be pretty fun to watch. I'm going to make some vlogs and some videos for that, so look forward to that. I'm also going to try and do some more sim setup here where I just have fun on the sim. This is a great tool, totally underrated tool. I'm sure a lot of people just think it's a dumb video game, but the amount of help that it provides towards real-world driving, as Max Verstappen, since he does this a ton, yeah, side note, he raced a virtual sim championship for Formula One. So probably the best people that drive Formula One on the sim, and he won that series. And that night he won, and then proceeds to race in a real Formula One race and wins that race. I don't know. Guy's goated. I don't know what to say. I have the truck build. You've seen the truck. That is going to go through a whole entire new series about the truck, where we're going with the truck, what's going to happen to the truck, what are you guys going to see? How am I going to make this truck into a absolute tow beast? It's already kind of a beast. The name on the truck, if you saw, was ridiculous. So there will be content along the lines with the truck, my other Saabs, and the future cars that I don't think you guys have seen yet, which I think you guys will like it.